How you doing? Jennifer. Hey, Jennifer. Jason gonna be here? Congratulations. Excuse me, ma'am. Huh? Good. I hear these raising little fellas. Yeah. I have to talk to Dad about that over here. Tough old farm.
Because school's starting Monday, they're getting organized. Remember that?
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I
took over to the count.
Yeah, I hardly recognize you.
Jennifer looks so much.
Sunburn.
Look who came! I got all these pictures at home that I took to Bucks Lake, and nobody came. Nobody came to see them. I didn't know you were going to be here.
Well, we didn't meet until just a few days ago.
And my wife broke it. No, she broke it right here.
We got a little lost.
Hi, Aunt Gladys. Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
There's one. South. Geez,
I'm so glad you're here.
I used to have an old sick foot, you know, booklet. Yeah, a couple months ago. No, and I finally wound up there. Oh, yeah, I'm kidding this baby 2 days ago. I called him and ball of wax.
Well, you'll be first.
You got Karen?
Look who showed up. Hi, Gladys. Sweetheart.
Oh, good. I'm so glad to be here. I didn't think I was going to be here.
How you feeling?
I feel kind of good. It's not good. Okay, from the doctor. So I talk about two Johnny. Kevin and Karen, should we be already?
It's all right. I gotta see Jill. Stand there, man.
Oh, wonderful. No, you're not going to leave me like this. Karen,
Okay.
Hi, buddy. How you doing? Good to see you. I know my grandfather.
I'm going to introduce you to some of my friends. This is Penny Sweet. This is
very nice. Very sweet.
this is my Aunt Gladys.
Oh, he's right here back here.
Glad doesn't see you. Yeah. This is my other friend, Pat Ediger. She's another
glad to
sweetie.
meet you. Oh, now come on.
She's the tea.
Cutie.
My sailing friends. These are my sailing friends.
She didn't say that out. We like to meet Sunday. We've sailed this place
okay, let's
together.
go over here.
We're not now,
Karen.
but maybe we can join them for something. Else is like.
I hope so.
My sister's godmother.
Okay.
She is my mom's best friend.
Oh,
And our wedding. We just went to their 50th wedding.
Had the same girls.
Okay,
Isn't
let's go in.
Whatever.
And here's mother who'll take over.
Oh no, she's rubbing my
I know. They're
It's a good wedding. It was a sailing wedding. Someday when we have more time, we'll run the don't look But it was a whole, we borrowed all these spinnakers plus ours, and we looked like a camera. And we
Listen to their conversation.
Oh, tell me.
How is big?
Oh, well.
Oh, you got
around the sail area and around the
Keep going,
Lord.
Lord.
Watch it! It was at Lace, California. Everybody said it looked like a yacht club. Oh, no, I'm over that. It was all the seafood, and each table was...
I did better than that.
Was a whole lower.
I know. Yeah, mine's well, that would have helped.
And Jim made all these illuminations. I think this was both. Jim made wooden
Careful. Here, my mom.
Carefully. I had trouble with the steps.
I'm Harold Gergen. How are you? I'm Fred Kramer.
I'm Sharon.
Sharon, good to see you.
Carol Riley.
Hi, Carol. How are you? Nice to see you.
Fred and Sharon. Oh, you're so cute. That we sailed with. And then when we moved our boat to Brisbane, we found out that they were there, and so we moved our boat next door, and they didn't know it, and we left a note.
Oh, boy. Yeah.
So we sailed
So
with
we woke up, I said, there goes the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Take your shirt off, Whitney.
That's not a very big area.
Standing right away, Mark.
I don't know if that might be too small for him with this wind.
So you'll land him down in a field. Is he coming back around? the fire.
Spencer's in the bar, that's my brother-in-law. My sister's the one with the brace because she fell and cracked.
That's a chastity belt.
Yeah, hurt a brace about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Her son Brandon flew in.
He's on the search and rescue.
And her other son is in Kenya.
Tanzania.
In Tanzania, sorry. He moved again. And their daughter Jamie, I don't know where Jamie is. He's not here. Then Kermit, my other brother on the little...
Right here.
Chris, his wife. And Jason, is Jason
Not here yet.
Jennifer.
Yeah.
Where's Jennifer?
Jennifer's here.
And Wendy, his oldest daughter, surprised me from L.A. Wendy, raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
And then David next to her, her fiance. Hi, David. My brother Keith is not here.
Yeah.
Is he? Oh, he'll be here later. And you're all met. And here's my mom. She was in the house. This is my mother. Hi. And then there's some really special people I also like to introduce to you. Good, Karen. All right.
Make points in.
I have my aunt Gladys and my auntie Lil, and their husbands Joe and Bill, and they're my sister and my godmother and father, and they came up from Grass Valley and from San Leandro.
Camino.
Camino, well that's close.
Anybody show up that cares about Dave?
No. Well, he cares about all these people.
Who is David?
Say hi. Blow me a kiss.
Oh, right.
Behind the barn?
Olivia, blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss.
Say hi, Uncle Kermit. Here, say hi, Uncle Kerm. Hi, Kerm. Oh, no, that's Icky milk. Icky. What are we gonna go get, Olivia? Where are we gonna go get in the house? What are we gonna get? Are we gonna go get the cake? Cake, yes. Cake? Who's that right there? Is that Kerm? Is this Kermit? Look at right here. Is that Kerm? Kerm, yeah. Who's this? Is this Karen? Are you sleepy?
Kids do the darndest things, don't they?
Anyway, anything to make that.
Whose son is that?
He wants everybody to stay up here, though. Don't go down.
Way out over there. Coming around.
Okay, so you could have come out of the house, but because there was a downdraft, in case something happened, that's why I went over to watch it. That's why I checked it out first. It's just such a little one. Ken? Yeah? I think he's gonna go over it.
standing, hanging out the window.
Yeah, Todd would love that too.
Oh, Todd had been out there, but
I saw in the News and Review they had all those flights for like he went on those biplane flights.
yeah.
And then they have.
What's it say, John? Dave and Karen, yes, the time has finally come and it feels good. Soon it will be you two against the sea. Uh-oh. Whoa! We hope that all you have ever dreamed. This will take us the whole year to read it.
That's okay, you don't need to.
Colorful, luxurious, the ultimate sailboat status.
Oh, wait a minute, what's this?
Oh, yeah.
What, bare butt?
Seven
Woman's,
seas.
where's the mail?
Just naturally good. Hello world, special, sensational, splash, Baja, challenge, only the best. Boat life? Is that pot? Is that boat pot?
Uh-oh.
Ever get that bougie?
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, what is it, Pepto-Bismol? Here, Karen, sit down for a second.
Is it wine? Massage? Like a massage?
Yeah,
Oh, complete step-by-step guide to Eastern and Western techniques. Sounds kinky to me.
Oh, right.
that was for you. This is
That was for
Karen.
me.
Oh, this one's cake. Well, that's
Evo.
Evo. Oh, yeah.
And it's fun. It's fun.
That isn't funny at all.
A new venture for you. As you chart your course with all of your stars to success, may you never lack clear skies, smooth sailing, sunny days, and the wind always at your back. Yes. We wish you the best of luck. That's the word. What is there? And how? Wait. And no.
You don't have your
well,
glasses
like we
on.
know, don't we? I don't have my glasses on. No.
You ready, Ashley?
Hey, it matches our napkins, Carol. Look, can I help you open this? Come on, Emily. Olivia, can you help? Oh, sorry.
Clear t-shirts with reflections.
Oh, I've always wanted a shirt with our boat face on it. Oh,
We've never had a t-shirt with reflections. So thank you.
Good.
here, put it on. I will. Right here. Karen, show us the
Hold it up, Karen.
Oh, just a second. Olivia. Look at.
Okay. Thank you, Harry and
Oh,
Carol.
thank you.
You ready, Ashley?
Thank you, Karen.
Hope you enjoy it. Oh, I will. Now that you can come home.
Thank you, Harry.
Oh, David.
Yeah. Thanks. I see it tonight like that.
So I didn't think about that.
Cake. Carrie's gonna cut us some cake.
We're getting
Married, yeah.
married again here, but I think we're not.
And Harry and Carol just gave us matching t-shirts. You
I
like
have one
them?
just like it. Our first Reflections t-shirt.
Okay, there we go. That's it.
Okay.
Now
Thank
everybody
you
can
very
eat.
much. Adios, amigo.
Now you gotta do the submission of the cake. No, yeah. Get married.
Wasn't that nice?
That's for Harry and Carol.
Yeah. Stop it! I shouldn't have. I don't think I've ever seen my daughter quite as dirty as she is today. She's just baby. You're like so cute together.
Look at that.
Straight down. Do that again.
Do it again. You ready? Okay, you do it. Okay, in the mouth. In the mouth.
Oh, that's not part of the trick.
Feed.
Right here, Brian.
You ready?
Well, Dave,
Ready? Okay. Do it again.
Try me.
Cheerios has added salt.
Salt? Are you kidding?
An oat bran has added fat.
Fat?
Corn Flakes has added sugar.
Sugar.
But Nabisco shredded wheat has no added salt, fat, or sugar.